Thari nganzu chapter di chuturda khaza nganzu chonga de la capital letters ra mean dang de la capital letter da mean la zambala di le dok mean yin patsam ki capital choma ra mean na lo la ya cheda wa mean ro da me la na ya man la capital choma re ne me ki na lo cheda wa su la na sereng ro la na ani khot di capital chora dinashin ki simje ina animal danola elephant ro theo ina ko capital choma ta sentence ko chu na mashra shimba khare ya elephant re la khachi ki mean ro ta waina a khola capital chora ta sirup go chu du samba khadu ine capital chora ngan khazam thjen shi ju di ro kyar jong ro chu waina ro thjen shi tambo di mi da places la di names ada mi ji gi mi ra yana sa ji gi mi ro le waina manzola capital chores ne nima da dendra da dawa de zogi mi di capital niwa sumba di I di khadu ne capital chora shiwa di ane sentence khadu ko chu hina ra siru ko chu sambala khadu ne ko capital chores dene thari nganzo questions ra questions lana tiwa kha ra mangzi kya da tiwa kha la ra so read these questions and answers lo shows How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. What is your name? My name is Payal. When does the bell ring? The bell rings at 4 o'clock. Ra dustana. Ta khare thio khajang di marigold na la this hanzo thio ta kha le ya dang ro chi jang wa di ro che how do you go to school la ani khajidu ta thangshe su na go to I go to ra kalana di khaja di go le di khoranja sha go ro ra ya what is your name la kapsla ya kare aleta di pheche in sama di je da li ro so di khaler du ma thio go dang di khane go chu la ra ta how the what the when la din ro na go chu do ra thio countries to Kari, Kaduri in that Roshra. Teacher, that thing, Kozogia, question la the Kari Nanga Tingulana de la Tachra, so young near like you to pitch. Teacher, the user. We ask questions when we want to know something. We use words like how, who, where, what, when, and why to ask questions. That Tioku Kasla. Sikan khasa sikhashi ji gan phuji che gyoro jura dikeshi do khonse kanya go zu me late we ask questions on the tio ku badla ask le ra tio la the means each other the tio ku do is on the ra when we ask questions when we want to know something kesing anzo yi chikko la hakkunye thu kapsla anzo ko tio ku gires ra we use words like anzogi sikadro phuji la na phuji si dindiro double at chawra like let how who where what when and why ta konsama the theory kidira how la na khandis who la na su where la na khawala what la na khari when la na khadu ra di when the cups la ko ra we ask questions when anzo any khare chi hakhoya cups hakhonye thwe cups la Lajra di went and if benching the tuala kora kadu letra and why kachine lajra kunzing to ask questions in the pichiris to guela. A question always ends with a question mark. The kare tua shi kadu inea zoela kari zolana tamad zogo hejra tamadi kasa dukedi and question mark question lana tua yita ratida di anzu di gutera digi zor da samal da chiwa ka samala question mark the ra question mark la na chiwa gi ta lo ra da ye de la nanga zo de khare ang zo gi chiwa gu du sambal da chi nanga ro chi ra din zo shi de ma ra ro khachi da an thamat la question mark di samta shi ra the next exercise 1 that nanga zo din zo khoche dik shi ra zo de da thamat la question 2 da di khoche nyam da di khandis pi chi ta ra ra tick the questions and cross the statements. Tick lana dikta dharwa. Tiwa la dikta gyasho, ani statement la di norda do ti kyasho statement la zamada di resha la ne jebaru kyo shaidwa dindela statement le jwa tiwala rebel ta chikho chokure jura dila manjogi dikta gyagore ani khachi resha la ne chi jebaru kyo shaidu zambala dila ni kharsa cross tangshos cross la na madi keterwa thambodro shashana the farmer planted the seeds ra shimbagi ani sun tabres ra sun tabadash planted le thanda dila sun ma kasa shindon tabat khora lazama kho thiyo marda ko koranji rela ni jibach kyo do di ani ko statement chate ra cross ta where is the ice cream shop ice cream ge chongang khwa yore le de thiyo chasa dina shingi when does she come home mo ko nangla khadu yung gre le de thiyo chasa khachore dikta ge ra dina shingi she comes home in the evening mo an nangla chiroli res lazamala ko jebaro chikare chi rela ki je chido di ani cross ta che who is your best friend best lana yashu friend lana topu yashu suis kerang ge topu yashu suis tiordo so ठीक है then exercise 2 match the questions with the answers the tiord is khadi ani len zola two shows match lana tuba ra diba tuba jura 당보 로이나 콘조이 튼조 치사도 how many legs does a table have how many kazuyores ra kari kangba sula table la ra choksala kangba kazuyores ani it has 4 legs lendi kola dila ani kangba shiores where is mother lana amla khodo la wata dida len limbu khodo she is playing football lembado she is in the garden lembado radini jik tura amla ne zamada manche garden ro lemba ra football si maramla so what is Sandra playing Sandra gi kharzi dolar ra kharzi lana ani dilembado di she is playing football mo ani football kangsa bol chidishas who bells the cat sugi kid shimidla ani tibudung songs ra who bells the cat bells lady ke tibudung isa marta tanda shimbash kugiru tisho Dines ngawadi when does the party begin ra tuto khadu go zures and khare it begins at 7 o'clock chizu dimbala ra tanda bells lady who bells the cat the mouse bells the cat bells lady di sar ke dang ro jrang so pa ju tonang le jue jura din ro le yusar ndi shimi de la sugi ani ke tang la ore ta di khasa tonang le jue ro jura di chisla na shimi gi khasa zizi gi chisong the mouse bells the cat ra Then exercise somebody. Complete these questions with the question words in the box. Shamgi tiyo khadin joldi ani kharigi kongolana question words ra tiyo gi sigini de yoras di tanda di box lana tanda dinala trupshi dinala yebera. Tiyo gi sigin jo konche ani wa gi tiyo din jo konshos. 당보대로 때 당보이나 가지 box는 참마 하고 해주시오라 후라나 수 which라나 가기 잘라 가기 미 가기다 페체 후로 마지 비시라 잘라로 마지라 which what라나 가리 where라나 가와라 when라나 가두 why라나 가치니 how라나 간디세 나해주라 간디스레레레 so 당보대로 샤시나 who is the school leader laptogi guchi sures ra Dela Karilemba, the dash is the teacher so angry. ra sta gige ane khondo langi lanere kadu lang rele da lemim do so su gi lang rele da lemba do who is the su lemba khagi lemba du khajine le de lemba lemburosh do why is the teacher so angry gige di khajini khondo spe lang de wa khajin lang re le ra di lemburosh do what is lembuchim do the next somebody dash of these three girls is your sister the which lady me denjole khocho odra da mi mangbo do ina khagi le jra mi khagi le zambala ani ganjo which piji chi chora so khare which of these three girls is your sister pomusum dinjo nane khagi kheragi pingya phumore le jra hanjo ondla which le ra ti damga do chi korsla then she would dash many pencils do you have ra tadi theorol khiran pencil khaju yo le la how many pencils do you have like ra how many how le the countries le chi ko re how much le the khaju le la ko ra only ye khoni thanda do the how le de la thand page chi dang de chi countries le how do you go to school kiran la la countries to le da and khaju re le la khaju ye le do da how much do you have how many pencils do you have le da de yo da nga di dash does she live mo call di le lemba to le de la de kisha mala and where does she live then to put the dash do you have in your bag the bag na la khari le na khalaire what do you have in your bag ra duschin ra then she dumba the dash does your father work kana pala gi le kharchi ola na khatire dela what does your father work ra then what does limbo me le tan dile lembaji where does le de limbo to where does your father work kawala le achi gore le de ya di de ro give the dash is your book and dikhare khawa khagi lemba do what is where is your book limbo to kawal du le ro what is your book limbo me do shivadi now answer these questions that you khan zula len shows ra what is your name susumi thechra khane go zore my name is Sering the my lady kothangshu siru go gora capital thota and Sering that here na td capital thora susumi ra khajang jo capital chidang jang sarwa and thamadala full stop kya how old are you lo khaju is I am dash years old susulochika jumatine do khatine do I am dash nala number 2 I am dash years old ra where do you live ka do you use I live laura I live in India that the India la chirana I live at Mungot and I live at Devon indiro chunza ne machina do ya chunjuna saja chunjun zo tiena at la pichira kesa khadin ro tina in lera I live in Bangalore ene suzung azuda ti saja din chunjurang zo mun goten so I live at Devon ra ne when do you wake up in the morning khadu langi yes shopa so khalere I wake up ra I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and 6 a.m. in the morning la ko ra 6 o'clock la in the morning la na le ba ra I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning ra then who is your friend kira thobusur la na my friend ra your sabla my chagora da my friend is Tashi to ra the main chite which is your favorite color kira gi chanda gasho di khari is so ya gaji bijiga my favorite color is ra my favorite color is and khare white you know blue khare la na so favorite chite ra how do you come to school kira lapta la khandis le na I how do you come ra I come to school I dine go chundora you sabla I come to school by bus I come to school by walking ra khobagyan lewadla walking lewa ra onde bache tadi susugi thidu zambala capital thiya da phala thamal full stop kya da sama simple nge che rang zo gi jang sa ra